Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a little bit of explanation here for the assignment Asian Unicorns article. Again, this is another close reading assignment. So you want to read the article that's located here and then answer the following questions. This is another Newsela article, so make sure that you are logging in through Google with your school Gmail account. So it should give you the full text then for this, Saving the Asian Unicorns, How do you protect what you can't see? So let's look over some of the questions here as you're reading the article that you'll want to answer. So number one here, what year was the Saola officially documented by scientists? Again, the people who live in the same area as the Saola already knew about it, but as far as scientists officially documenting it, what year does the article give for that? Number two, according to the article, what is the current population of Saola in the wild? How many of them are there, at least at the time that they wrote this? Number three, what type of habitat do the Saola live in, and why has that made that difficult for them to find? So again, think about their description about what type of environment they live in. Number four, the article mentions that the Saolas get caught in snare traps by accident. What are three animals that the article mentions that trappers are trying to catch with the snares on purpose? So it'll list some animals that people are trying to catch so that they can eat them as food, besides the Saola. 5. What is the term used for food made from wild animals that the article mentions? So again, food can be made from these wild animals, but it kind of comes with some consequences with it. And there's a special term for it that's mentioned in there. 6. What is the plan that the article mentions that scientists are suggesting to help increase Saola numbers besides stopping the snare traps? So again, look through the article for some of their other suggestions to help their numbers bounce back up. 7. Besides using camera traps, the article mentions trying to locate the Saolas by analyzing the stomach contents of leeches to try and find where the Saolas are hiding. How would this work? How would the blood help them pinpoint where the Saolas are if they're looking at blood samples that are in different leeches? Think about what a leech is and what leeches do to feed. Number 8. If you were in charge of helping save the Saola, what would be a plan that you would suggest besides stopping the snare traps? And your answer to question number 6. So, again, this method up here, besides that, and besides just stopping the snare traps in general, what do you think would be another solution to this problem? So again, I hope that this is all pretty straightforward. If you do have any questions about this assignment, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up to our science department office hours via Zoom every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.